Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I am back and today I am sharing my June 2019 Project Life, and it is a double page layout spread like I normally do for all of the summer months, June, July, and August. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will do a once over like I normally do, and then I will do a share here. So this, like always, is a cut from the Silhouette Studio. It's their Project Life monthly cards. I just sized it down. I added a piece of ephemera for my stash. This is a piece of chipboard for my stash, and just some butterflies that I had cut and saved from a previous project that didn't get used, and I used them on here. And I like the way that turned out. Next up, Hello My Love. That is a piece of chipboard from Freckled Fawn. Most of these pieces are from Freckled Fawn. Some are from the Allie Edwards Stories by the Month Club. And this is just to document my little pup getting spayed at the beginning of the month. This is to document the last day of school. We were at the pool. The best thing about summer is, I want to say from Ellie Studio, but don't quote me on that. This is a picture I used in 2 pockets. Fun in the Sun is from either Allie Edwards or Freckled Fawn. Yeeks, I don't remember. Anyway, so this is another last day of summer picture from the pool. This is me documenting a little bit of time I got to catch up with my girlfriend, who I hardly ever see. She moved away, so she comes back into town usually once a year, so that was fun. Here, this is definitely from Ellie Studio, and these glasses I cut from MFT. This arrow, maybe a basic gray, old arrow, just used my typewriter to document on here about this photo. And so this is a funny Snapchat. This is a piece of chipboard, but it says, it's not a party until the kielbasa comes out. And it was hilarious. We were at a sausage contest, so that's fun. So here we go. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. A lot of the product is old, or I've made it on my own, so there's that. Best day ever. This is a sticker from Jelly Bean Soup, and this is us at the fest. On the grill, this is from Ellie Studio as well. I got it maybe in one of their grab bags a while back, and I just cut her photo down so that it would fit on here. This is me posing with the guy in charge of carrying this giant statue. So, yeah, no explanation needed. Just being silly. And here is from Jelly Bean Soup and LOL, and I used my Tim Holtz tiny attacher to staple it on. This is my daughter with her piano teacher, and when she started she was 6, so she was like down to her waist, and now she's here, so it's kind of fun. This is from Ellie Studio, and I just added some splashes from my stash, and this heart is from the Stories by the Month Allie Edwards. It says, "So love the start of summer," and it's just focusing basically on the swim season. So this is an Allie Stories by the Month piece of chipboard. Just says this month looks like this, and it's basically practice every day meets those types of things. So here's my Technique Tuesday die. I cuts the void here. I used another Jelly Bean Soup, just like a piece of pattern paper, but I'm essentially using it as making my own flare, putting my epoxy bubble on there for dimension. And the OMG On Point Like a Boss, those are from the Mambi clear stickers. They're really old. This is another probably Allie or Freckled Fawn chipboard. And then this starts LPGA here. So my daughter worked this event, so this is just the extra ticket that she had. I cut it down. So here's this. And if you aren't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I usually post a new video a week, and yeah. So this is some chats that I had, texting chats that I had with my daughter that day at the LPGA, so I kept those. She was super excited. This is from Ellie Studio, I'm pretty sure. And I just cut the photo down and put it on the back of this Project Lifeguard. And Sweet Treats piece of chipboard. This is from the Stories by the Month, Allie Edwards. It's leading into Father's Day. Sticker from Allie Edwards. This is a Freckled Fawn, like acrylic speech bubble. Beers on the Bridge. This is a fun thing we do in the summer months here, and I just added a cork heart there to a piece of a picture that I took off the internet and printed. This is a 4x6 I cut in half of us at this event. This Remember is from Ellie Studio. This is a Freckled Fawn epoxy, the word us in a circle. Good Friends is from Freckled Fawn, I want to say. Goals is from Ellie Studio. It's a wood veneer, and this is just my daughter. She's getting ready to start her summer golf tournaments, so I'm super busy around here all summer basically. All right, the next side. This is the last side. This is another Snapchat, me on my back deck, and this is another piece of chipboard, Where I Belong. This is another 4x6 cut in half. This Cheers is washi tape. See You at the Beach. These are friends and family that we usually do a spring break with on the island, so this was totally appropriate because we see them in the summer at the beach and in the winter at the beach. So this is a Jelly Bean Suit cut-up art. It says, so there's this boy who stole my heart. He calls me Mom. He's a handful, I'm just gonna say. It's lucky he's cute. So we went to the dog park for the first time, and he, of course, climbed a tree because he just can't help himself. So the You Are Brave is from Ellie Studio, and Enjoying Nature chipboard is probably from Freckled Fawn. Here I used my Technique Tuesday cut apart die, and in the void I made my own epoxy with a stamp and a piece of pink paper that says woof, and I just white embossed it. It looks a little kooky, but I don't care. And so yeah, this is my girl at the dog park. She loved it. This is Ellie Studio piece of puffy sticker. I just stapled it, cut it off with my tiny tabsher. This is one of my other golf partners. These Days is from Ellie Studio, and I used 2 puffy arrows and some stars from Ellie Studio as well. And this is obviously my journaling documenting this photo, and this is this. And then the pearly white sticker, that is super old. I don't know where it's from, but my daughter got her second set of braces off, so yay. So anyway, but yeah, that's it, you guys. Super fast share, and I will put some still photos at the end of this video. And like I said, subscribe. I will put the links to my Facebook and Instagram in the description box below. Would love for you to hang out, head over there and follow me on those sites as well. And yeah, have a great day, and hopefully I will be back next week. Bye.